Welcome to another video on Arduino. In this case the Mega2560 and the MegaADK. ADK standing for Arduino Android Development Kit. Except there won't be an Android device involved. What is going on? In the previous video I programmed them both for blinking an LED. So what's different? Well, difference is right now that this one I connected to my laptop with Fedora Linux to power it and being able to program it. This one, no USB, just 5 volts stable power. This one can be attached as well to, or connected as well to power. So what's the purpose? Well, having them interact. Previously I made a whole series of videos combining both with, I think both of these, with SPI, Serial Peripheral Interface, and I2C. And I found that that was, well, not that easy to do. So now I want to just put a signal here and read it from here. Is that possible? Of course it's possible. Do you want to see it? Well, the better question is, how do you want to see it? With an LED or on screen, or both? I think both is nicer. So let's reconnect stuff and see how things work out. Right, so now I first want to show you with the webcam for screencast the present coder for the Arduino Mega2560 and for the MegaADK. Once again, no Android involved, and both are just working, but as yet, since this is not connected to this USB cable, I can't do anything yet. So I'm going to break contact here and to make contact. And be careful with this wire, so this is better. So now I should be able to make contact right here. This will be then MegaADK, this one, and also that is a different port, this one. So now I have contacted with this one. Very nice. The question is now, how do I proceed? Well, I do have only schematics for this one, for the Mega2560, and just this is Series 3 as I call it. And this is how this board is wired. And the only difference with this board is that this is port 22 and this is port 48. 2 wires prepared. So this one is supposed to go right here. But the wires are a bit thick, so I have to be a little bit careful. Okay, this is better. Then I'm not soldering them because that makes it even thicker. Then wiring in here, so now the boards are by wire connected. Then same row is same signal, and then I can easily connect it to whichever port it will be, and let me use 30. So this means that this signal will pass through the wires here. What I have to do now is in this program say, okay, pin mode, that was 30, will be input. Then also say, alright, digital read, and I have there digital out pin, so let's add const int digital in pin 30. Oh, that doesn't matter, thinking of it, because I'm not assigning, oh yeah, it's a pin, which will be 30 then. Pin mode 30, yeah. Digital read will be digital in pin 30. Which should be something then. And this better be serial.print pin 30 is, and dot print line, and that's that. So let's now find out if it's really going to work. Expected what? Oh yeah, I miss one bracket. Now it's loading, now it's working, and I will serial monitor it. Which should be working. The only thing is, what I notice is that this isn't working. So I will, this LED does nothing. So I'm gonna take out this one, no longer connected. Reconnect. So I have now the strange situation that while I have this board connected clearly to 5 volts, this LED does nothing. I haven't changed the program, so let me reconnect the power adapter. and it actually should do something, but it doesn't. So that's a strange thing. I didn't notice, but something should work. Alright, interesting fact. If I have programmed this board and I put the power adapter in it, it starts working. However, if I connect it through USB, it doesn't work, and I have to re-upload the program by means of this button. So now this one is working again. You can see the LED blink right here. Reconnecting. So let's now actually view serial monitor. It only says test, but it doesn't say pin. So pin 30 apparently doesn't receive anything. Which is a bit remarkable. So this signal has it through. Then this one goes to pin 30 again. 30 is input. So if I say 30 here, it should be alright as well. Does it do anything at all? Not quite. So this is remarkable. I could put, or should put, an LED here and see whatever it does. And then connecting it to ground. So let's see if that will work anyway. Alright, so now I have put an LED and resistor here, and I had to redo the program, re-upload, because it stopped again for some reason. But this is clearly showing that this connection does work. So why does this not work? That's another point. I don't even get serial pin 30 on the output. So let me do it again. Serial monitor. Is this even connected to the correct? No. Right now. This should be right now this one. This is, yeah. So now this is C, and then I have TE for test. That's a good one. So it takes the last one selected. But why isn't it showing everything? but you can see this blinking is exactly the same as this blinking, which is normal, which is logical. This is going from this one. Let me put it away. So this one is the same as this one, different from this one, and no signal here apparently. So let me put something here. This is then pin 30. As an input from, well, pin 48 from the other one. So that would be pin 48 MegaADK. Input from. Oh yeah, right, I forgot. I need to have this one as well. And why doesn't it take the LED? So that is it. Then this is it. Go LED 2, resistor 2, and that's it then. The only question is, why is the monitor not functioning? It does do something. Or is it the, oh wait, I have a different different speed in it. Test. Okay, so it is test, but I need this one as well. I'm not getting pin 30. Okay, so be it for now. And then it is, I'm afraid, time to wrap up. I said time to wrap up. So things are not working on this side yet, for some reason. Also putting stable voltage over it makes the program work, but here you have to upload the program via USB. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. And please show your support by making a donation via either PayPal or Wired. And you can also become a patron, and depending on the pledge you make, may also may have your name mentioned on my website and with my videos. Or anyway. This is going to be continued. So for now, have a nice day. Please look for my website URL under this video or in the last part of the video, and for much more interesting stuff. Have a nice day. Bye bye.